You're staring at your crypto portfolio, feeling like you just got hit by a truck. The red numbers flash across your screen, and that familiar knot forms in your stomach. But wait, what if I told you this moment of fear could be the opportunity you've been waiting for? Hey there, crypto warriors. Today, we're diving deep into the mind of one of crypto's most controversial voices, FINANCEWITHFM. And trust me, you're about to see the current market in a completely different light. You've probably been feeling it lately, that disconnect between what everyone promised would happen and what's actually going down in the crypto space. Remember all that hype about Trump's policies boosting crypto? Yeah, things didn't quite play out as expected, did they? But here's where it gets interesting. While you're watching retail investors panic sell their holdings, the big players like BlackRock are quietly making their moves. They're seeing something that most people are missing. And today, we're going to show you exactly what that is. This isn't just another market analysis video. This is your front row seat to understanding the psychology behind crypto movements, the real meaning behind Bitcoin dominance, and most importantly, how to position yourself for what's coming next. Ready to turn market fear into your advantage? Let's dive in. Picture yourself in the middle of the dot-com bubble. That's where our story begins, because that's exactly where Finance with FM learned his most valuable lessons. But here's the thing. What you're experiencing right now in crypto isn't the same story. It's something entirely different. You see that fear and greed index flashing red. While everyone else is running scared, you're about to understand why this could be your defining moment. Think about it. When was the last time you saw institutional investors like BlackRock moving in while retail investors were rushing out? Let me take you behind the numbers. Right now, you're witnessing a fascinating phenomenon called Bitcoin dominance. When the market gets shaky, Bitcoin's share of the total crypto market cap increases. Why? Because even crypto investors seek safety, and Bitcoin is their digital gold. But here's what most people miss. This isn't just about Bitcoin. This pattern creates ripples across the entire crypto ecosystem, affecting every coin in your portfolio. And if you're paying attention, these ripples can become waves of opportunity. You're not just watching the market anymore. You're starting to see the patterns, the subtle shifts that separate the winners from the losers. And trust me, understanding these patterns is exactly what separates successful crypto investors from those who get washed out during times like these. Let's zoom in on your portfolio for a moment. You're probably holding a mix of coins, maybe some Bitcoin, some altcoins, wondering if you're doing this right. Finance with FM strategy might just change how you view everything you're holding. Picture your crypto holdings as two distinct buckets. In one, you've got your hodl bags, your long-term believers like Bitcoin, XRP, and XLM. These aren't just random picks. They're your foundation, your crypto bedrock. You're not touching these no matter how hard the market shakes. Now, look at your other bucket, that 20% you've set aside for active trading. This is where you play the market's emotions, where you turn volatility into opportunity. When others panic sell their altcoins, you're watching, waiting, ready to move. But here's the real secret. It's not about timing the market perfectly. It's about having a plan and sticking to it. Remember that time you sold too early and beat yourself up when the price kept climbing, or when you held too long and watched your profits evaporate? That stops today. You're learning to think like an institutional investor now. When the market dips, you don't see disaster, you see discount prices. When others are celebrating bull runs, you're already planning your exit strategy. Let's talk about what's really happening in the market right now. You're not just investing in cryptocurrencies, you're participating in a complete financial revolution. DeFi isn't just another buzzword. It's the future you're betting on. Think about traditional finance, all those middlemen, paperwork, barriers to entry. Now look at your crypto wallet. With a few clicks, you're accessing financial services that weren't possible just a few years ago. This is the power shift Finance with FM keeps talking about. But here's where it gets really interesting. While everyone's obsessing over daily price movements, the real game is happening behind the scenes. Blockchain technology is evolving, adoption is growing, and the infrastructure is getting stronger every day. You're not just holding digital assets, you're holding tickets to the future of finance. Those higher lows Finance with FM mentions, they're not just price points, they're evidence of a maturing market. Every dip bounces higher than the last, building a stronger foundation for what's coming next. This isn't about getting rich quick anymore. You're part of something bigger, a fundamental shift in how the world handles money. And the best part, we're still in the early chapters of this story. Take a moment and think about your crypto journey so far. Those late nights checking prices, the group chats buzzing with speculation, the roller coaster of emotions, it's all part of your evolution as an investor. But now you're seeing things differently. Remember what Finance with FM said about market cycles? They're like waves in the ocean. You can't stop them, but you can learn to surf them. And right now you're in the perfect position to catch the next wave. Look at the signs around you. While mainstream media screams about crypto crashes, smart money is quietly accumulating. Those institutional investors we talked about, they're not here for quick gains. They're building positions for the long game, and you're watching it happen in real time. You're not just another trader anymore. You're becoming a strategic investor who understands market psychology. When others see feud, fear, uncertainty, doubt, you see opportunities. When they panic, you stick to your plan. So where does this leave you? You're standing at a crossroads. One path leads to the same old emotional trading, following the crowd, getting shaken out by every market move. The other path, that's where the real wealth is built. Here's what happens next. You're going to take everything you've learned today, the market psychology, the institutional strategies, the long-term vision, and you're going to use it to transform your approach to crypto investing. Remember, this isn't about timing the market perfectly. It's about building a strategy that works in any market condition. It's about having the confidence to stick to your plan when others are losing their heads. Before you go, ask yourself, are you ready to stop being just another trader and start being a strategic crypto investor? Because the opportunity is right here, right now. The fear and greed index is showing fear, but you know better. You see what's really happening. This is your moment. The market is giving you a chance to position yourself for what's coming next. The question is, are you going to take it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay ahead of the crypto curve. Until next time, keep stacking those sats smartly.
The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial or investment advice. The content discussed is based on personal opinions and interpretations of current events in the cryptocurrency market. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves significant risks, and you should always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and the value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate widely. The hosts and creators of this video are not responsible for any losses or damages incurred as a result of your reliance on the information presented. Always invest responsibly and be aware of the risks involved.